How's it going, guys? SYGTECH is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video I'm going to show you the DJI Mini 5 Pro. What do you get in the box? This is the Fly More combo with the 36 minutes batteries. So you'll get the DJI Mini 5 Pro. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger from the Mini 4 Pro from the 2 years ago. As you can see, I do like this gray color. It's more professional, looks like the Mavic series and the Air series, which I think is fantastic in my opinion. Also, for the first time in the Mini series, we have a 1-inch sensor for the first time in the Mini drones. I think this is fantastic for many people. Again, I will test that here in UK. So be the first of among of the first people to subscribe and like the video, because I'm planning to do a lot of cool videos with this drone. Also, for the first time, we have turn and twist propellers. So it's not like the previous 2 years, so it's super easy to replace the propellers. I'll demonstrate that in a different video, but basically you just twist and turn and you remove the propellers, which is fantastic. Something very cool as well is we have a LiDAR sensor. This has been introduced in the Air series. Now we have it in the Mini series for the first time, which is fantastic news for people who are planning to fly at night. Again, I'll test that. I'm gonna do a very interesting return to home video, so make sure to subscribe again to not miss that video. Also, we have 42 gigabytes of internal storage, which is great. If for some reason you fill your card, your memory card, fantastic news. But now let me show you guys some of the stuff that we have here if you buy the Fly More combo. I'm gonna start with the ND filters. We have the ND8, ND32 and ND128. Again, fantastic news if you fly at night or on a sunny day. Here in UK we cannot fly a lot on a sunny days because now sadly we are in the first week of October, but it's good to have that in your bag. Extra propellers, as you can see, which is great to have when you buy the Fly More combo. Stickers, and as you can see we have the DJI RC2 controller as well. This is fantastic controller. I definitely recommend, if you can afford, buy the DJI Mini 5 Pro with the RC2 controller, because you will not be regretting this decision, because it's much easier, much faster from the RC3 controller. And the batteries, ladies and gentlemen, we have the batteries. We have 36 minutes this year, 2 minutes more from the Mini 4 Pro. Also, something very new is that these batteries now can charge simultaneously, which is fantastic. So all three batteries can be charged in less than 100 minutes, which is great news. With the Mini 4 Pro, before you have to charge one battery and then we'll jump to the second battery and so on. Now all the three batteries can charge simultaneously, which is fantastic. Make sure to use a fast charger or a fast plug. And also, last but not least, the gimbal protection is like the Mavic and the Air 3 series, which is great news as well. So overall, this year, I think DJI, they did a fantastic job with the new DJI Mini 5 Pro. Let me know in the comment section below, what did you like me to cover? Also, I'm planning to do my maiden flight next video, so make sure to subscribe not to miss that. And we're gonna explore this cool drone. If you have any questions, any ideas, or anything that you want me to cover, make sure to leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video, and happy flying!